Recording. What's that? Well, yeah, it looks like clay tile, like we were saying. Yeah, hold on. Well, so maybe go back a little bit. I can't tell if that's a Y. And then, okay, I guess come on back this way. Yeah, it looked like there's a Y in it. Oh, yeah. Okay, now it looks like it's transition. I think so. Yep, it's rusty reddish. Yep. Now we're in plastic again. Well, almost look green. Well, I'm looking at a white fitting now, it looks like. And then there was a piece of green. Yeah. Now it's back to, now it looks cast iron again, yeah. So the feet, it doesn't tell how far you're moving. Okay, now it's black EBS. Oh, I see. Yeah. Should I hit the record button again? Or?